Go.
Good evening, everybody. I'll be teaching you how to swim in bed. First, you need to curve your legs. Oh, there's a funny frog out there. You need to curve your legs, and the purpose of curving your legs is to push the wall. Then you need to stroke your hands like this, and you do it together like. This is for air. You need to up and down for air. Okay, let's testing this one. Okay, wait. First, you jump in the water. Oops! Sorry. You slide on the cross. Then, you jump in the water. Then, first instruction, curve your leg. Curve your leg and wave your hands. 1, 2, 3. That's on how to swim. Thank you and good evening.